Today's topic is glass. Various types of glass available in market. Glass. What is glass? The glass, chemically the glass is a mixture of a number of metallic silicates, one of which is usually that of an alkali metal. This is the chemical composition. Metallic silicates in which one is alkali metal. It is amorphous. Amorphous means no shape of particle. It is amorphous, transparent, or translucent. It may also be considered as a solidified, supercooled solution of various metallic silicates having infinite viscosity. Because glass convert solid, fluid to convert solid suddenly. That is why glass not a perfect melting point. The following three categories of glass. First is soda lime glass, second potash lime glass, and third potash lead glass. Composition of glass. There is no specific chemical formula for glass, but it may generally be expressed as follows. This is the general formula for any type of glass. AX2O.ByO.6SiO2, where A and B are number of molecules. X is an atom of an alkali metal such as sodium, potassium, etc. And Y is an atom of a valent metal such as calcium, lead, etc. With this expression, the chemical formula of three groups of glass as classified above. First, we write the formula for different types of glass from this general formula AX2.ByU.6SiO2. First, soda lime glass. So, formula will be for soda lime glass Na2O 1 put in place of A and in place of X2 Na2 Na2O dot CaO dot 6SiO2. This is the formula for soda lime glass. Second, potash lime glass. Potash, as name suggested, potash and lime. K2O dot CaO dot 6SiO2. This is potash lime glass. Third, potash lead glass. Potash and lead. K2O dot PbO lead oxide dot 6SiO2. This is the formula for potash lead glass. So there are three types of glass. Properties of glass. Properties of general glass, not a specific glass. General properties of glass or properties for in general glass. Following are the properties of glass which have made the glass popular and useful. First, it absorbs, refracts or transmit light. Second, it can take up a high polish and may be used as substitute for very costly gems. Costly gems made by glass, artificial gems. Third, like diamond. Third, it has no sharp melting point. Fourth, it is an excellent electrical insulator at elevated temperatures due to the fact that glass can be considered as an ionic liquid. The ions are not easily moved at room temperature because of the high viscosity. That is why. Fifth property is it helps more as a liquid than most solids in the sense that it is elastic. But when the elastic limit is exceeded, it fractures instead of deforming. Sixth is it is capable of being worked in many ways. It can be blown, drawn, or pressed. The articles prepared from glass in three ways: blown, drawn, or pressed. But it is strange to note that it is difficult to cast in large pieces. We can't casting in glass. It is extremely brittle. Next, it is transparent and translucent. It is due to the absence of free electrons. And next property is when it is heated, it becomes soft, and soft with the rise in temperature. This liquid, when allowed to cool, passes through all the degrees of viscosity. Liquid to solidify. Next is the glass pans can be cleaned easily by any one of the following methods. First, applying methylated spirit or methyl alcohol. Second, rubbing damp salt for cleaning paint spots on glass. And third, rubbing finely powdered chalk on glass surface. There are three methods for cleaning the glass. These are the properties for any type of glass. Now, types of glass. The properties and uses of the following types of glass will be discussed. First, soda lime glass. Second, potash lime glass. And third is potash lead glass. Basically, three categories of glass. But fourth category is also there: common glass or rough glass. First, soda lime glass. Soda lime glass, also known as the soda glass or soft glass. It is mainly a mixture of sodium silicate and calcium silicate from the chemical formula Na2O.CO.6SiO2. Mixture of sodium silicate and calcium silicate. Properties of soda lime glass, particular for soda lime glass. It is available in clean and clear state. Second, it is cheap. And third property of soda lime glass, it is easily fusible. Why easily fusible? Because soda lime glass is soft type of glass. Soda lime glass or soft glass. So it is easily fusible at comparatively low temperatures. Fourth, it is possible to blow or to weld articles made from this glass with the help of simple sources of heat, because soda lime glass is a soft glass, so melt at low temperature. Uses of soda lime glass: it is used in the manufacture of glass tubes and other laboratory apparatus, plate glass, window glass, etc. These are the soda lime glass. Second is potash lime glass, K2O.CO.6SiO2. This is also known as the Bahamian glass or hard glass, hard due to potash. It is mainly a mixture of potassium silicate and calcium silicate. Now, properties of potash lime glass. First, it fuses at high temperature because it is hard glass. It fuses at high temperature. Next, it is not easily affected by water and other solvents. Third, it does not melt it does not melt so easily, because potash lime glass is a hard glass, so it does not melt so easily. And uses of potash lime glass: this glass is used in the manufacture of glass articles which have to withstand high temperature, such as combustion tubes, etc. Combustion tubes made from potash lime glass. Third type of glass is potash lead glass. Potash and lead, K2O.PbO.6SiO2. This is also known as the flint glass. Flint is the famous name, flint glass. It is mainly a mixture of potassium silicate and lead silicate. and properties of potash lead glass. These properties for potash lead glass only. It fuses very easily. This is also a soft glass. It fuses very easily. Next, it is easily attacked by aqueous solutions. Next property of potash lead glass is it possesses bright luster and great refractive power. The specific gravity of potash lead glass is about 3 to 3.3. It turns black and opaque if it comes into contact with reducing gases of the furnace during heating. Now, uses of potash lead glass. It is used in the manufacture of articles, gems, manufacture of artificial gems, electric bulbs, lenses, prisms, etc. And fourth type of glass is common glass. This is also known as the bottle glass. It is prepared from cheap raw material. It is mainly a mixture of sodium silicate, calcium silicate, and iron silicate. The properties of common glass: it fuses with difficulty due to iron silicate. It fuses with difficulty. Second, it is brown, green, or yellow in color. And third, it is easily attacked by acids. Uses of common glass is it is mainly used in the manufacture of medicine bottles. Medicine bottles made by common glass because they are in different available in different colors. So this is the word of glass. Thank you.